Welcome back to Pebble series, differentiating the difficulties with me, Kavya Tendal. If you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe for more interesting videos like this, and as well press the bell icon so that I will receive a daily video notification. This is the fifth video in Pebble series. The primary aim of doing this is to remember the concept and get right at the critical time of demand, especially in the orals or when we solve the MCQs. Today we'll be seeing about the enzymes deficiencies in porphyria. This will be useful in biochemistry and as well in medicine. First is the advertisement of Ujala. Here the son will be coming with tough stain and the mother will be discussing about the removal of tough stain with the neighbor, and she will suggest Ujala. After that, suggesting Ujala, she will use Ujala and the shirt turns will be white. So the disease here is X-linked protoporphyria. X-linked disease affects male, and the answer is actually related to Ujala. Take Uj out so that alas remain. That is ala synthase is the answer. That is delta amino linoleic acid synthase. This ala synthase is absent in X-linked protoporphyria. Next is porphyria cutanea tarda. Here the patient who is suffering from the disease, when he is exposed to sunlight, will get blisters on the skin. Okay, so that is what cutanea tarda. Tarda here refers to, when I Google, it is like the time difference from the supper to noon or like that, lunch. So it is some time variation. Let us take it like morning to evening or night. One thing that is changing in the environment is the tree, that is respiration of tree. In night it is going to give out carbon dioxide. Having this in mind, the answer we are thinking is, it is UPG decarboxylase. D is removal, so carboxylase is related to carbon dioxide. So the answer for porphyria cutanea tarda, the enzyme deficiency, is UPG decarboxylase. Next is acute intermittent porphyria. Answer is PBG deaminase. To remember, let's take PUBG, take out U, so it becomes PBG again, deaminase. Here we will be killing people and diminishing the people. So when you're saying diminish, it comes like deaminase. Okay, so PBG deaminase is the enzyme deficiency in acute intermittent porphyria. To remember its acute intermittent porphyria, let us take this image. Here, whenever he is going to write an exam, he will be remembering the playing of PUBG, right? So, intermittently, at the same time, acute, intermittently, he will be remembering that. So, acute intermittent porphyria, the enzyme deficiency is PBG deaminase. Next is congenital erythropoietic porphyria. In all these enzymes, only two enzymes has CO in that is congenital erythropoietic porphyria and hereditary coproporphyria. As the name, the disease has CO in that, the answer will also CO, but somewhere. In congenital erythropoietic porphyria, it is the UPG co-synthase. That is it. Next is hereditary coproporphyria. Here again, coproporphyria, the answer is also coproporphyrinogen oxidase. To remember what is where oxidase comes in, hereditary, like we will take hairy, and variegated we take vary. Hairy, vary are rhyming. So all these two words in the disease will be pointing us to remember the answer will have oxidase. So hairy, vary will have oxidase. Thereby hereditary coproporphyria has enzyme deficiency of coproporphyrinogen oxidase, and variegated porphyria will have protoporphyrinogen oxidase, because this protoporphyrinogen oxidase is the last but before step. So it is protoporphyrinogen oxidase. At last it is protoporphyria ferroketolase. One thing to note is, till now we have seen the enzymes and as with the disease which has more than two words. Here it is a single word, that is protoporphyria and ferroketolase. So single word disease and single word enzyme. Protoporphyria, ferroketolase. This is actually the last step in the metabolism. So protoporphyria. Porphyria is actually a ring from the amino acid, and proto refers to the ion. When ion and amino acid, it is saying it is a basic chemistry, that is chelation. So ion is going, so it is ferrochelatase. The enzyme deficiency in protoporphyria is ferrochelatase. Hope this video helped you to remember something about the enzyme deficiency in porphyrias. Thank you so much for your patient listening.